Hello, Devi bhai.
Yeah, hi, hi.
So can we start? I think we are already late. That's why I'm saying. If you give permission,
Yeah,
we start.
sure.
Okay. So today topic is India handling China in a good way or wrong way? Okay. So firstly, I want to speak something on this topic. Then you can proceed. Okay. So I think
Yeah,
whatever government
yeah,
is doing, that is really good, because if you want to defeat China, firstly we have to defeat China in the term of economy, because now China is why we are thinking much about economy, because the if we are talking about in concern of India, as 80% product imported by India through the China, and when you are going to compare the economy between India and China, definitely China is more more forward to India. That's why during the last Man Ki Baat, when PM was addressing all the nation through the radio, uh, main focus on PM was toy industry, because as we know, when you go to market to buy any uh, toys, definitely mostly the market captured by China. And also Indian government has banned near about 160 app, because somehow India want to affect the economy of China. And I think, in my view, we can defeat China by banning the product, by canceling the orders. Because if we are talking about in concern of war, maybe it will be tough to defeat China in war. Maybe. I am not sure, because as we know, we have to accept truth in 1962, as per the history, as per the what till now we have read, China defeated India. Okay. But now in this current scenario, I think every scene has just changed. Now India is much stronger than China. But I think affecting the economy of China is going to help to gain what we want. So this is from my side. Okay, Ganesh and Devi Bhai, now you can speak. Yes,
uh, yeah. So I will speak now.
yes, Devi Bhai.
Yeah, actually, yeah. So when we went to 2 years back, there is issues that China has raised regarding Doklam, but it is all the situations are end up with the both the side they dislocated without any casualties in Doklam area. But when it came to the Galvan Valley, that our 20 soldiers are died and martyred 20 soldiers, and from their side also it is not the correct data we have now, but around 40 casualties found in China side also. But seeing these scenarios, immediately our government banned few applications which are related to China. It is the first step. So and next they made Atmanirbhar in that they give preference to Indian products and they put more taxes on the imported goods from China, because the whole world is suffering from because of China. So the corona, the main base is from China. Still, they're putting more. They are good for nothing. They're simply uh, uh, all the provenances or all the areas. The China dispute for around 10 countries recently. The Hong Kong or the Taiwan. They're putting nose everywhere. So, in as a under the efficient, able leadership of Narendra Modi, definitely he given good direction and good reply, and he visited the border as well after 1 month, the Ladakh border, and meantime our Bipin Rawat, the army chief, also visited there. So India also facing off very well. Actually there it is no weapon areas in both the borders, but still China are using that. So similarly, India also tackling that situations. So India also never stepped back or went with the peace talk with any other countries. So India also managing very well because it the situation both the side. But now the Rajnath Singh travel to Russia for one summit. There also maybe I guess some discussion will going to happen. No one is need war. Even I also don't want to go for war and all due to these situations. But the when provinces is acquired by some other countries, definitely we should stick. We should protect those provinces. Even it may be 1 inch land also. Definitely, we should protect that. So, considering these and recent developments, the government is handling very well. But the 20 soldier, whatever they died, right? They should have avoided by talking with the other army chief. That is the only my concern. Yeah.
Okay, Devi bhai,
Yeah, sure, Devi bhai.
uh, actually in morning I have listened the audio of Ganesh bhai. Ganesh has spoken very well on this topic. So Ganesh, now you can speak because I have listened your speech. That
Yeah,
was very
sure.
nice. Yes.
Yeah, sure, Pradeep. On our today's topic, we can say India give the strong response to the China on the current scenario. Means we can see past past of this situation. Means before this government means India don't means not able to take a strong decision for security purpose means whenever it may be get chances of any war then India is sometimes confused to take a decision or not to give the strong response or uh, to the other countries. That's why some other countries are not stay give the strong support to us because we take a example of USA. Before this, USA don't means as compared to today's situation, do not support it. Yeah, yes. That's why we can say now the today's government give the good decision on the security purpose. So
I
yeah, yes, Pradeep.
I think Ganesh bhai,
Yes,
this is not very easy or comfortable to go in war. No, because India
Yeah.
have to also reply to many countries because we are a part of world, and also you can say we are the part of United Nations. Everywhere you have to reply. Okay, what is last condition? Before that, we should try to conclude our problem by talking. And as India, we're doing, time to time, we are listening. Also, we are reading in newspaper. India is going to organize a meeting of some army official from the China, and they are discussing how they can solve the problem. If I think within 1 or 2 months, if you are not going to find any solution, maybe then we have only one thing, then we can go in war. And actually this is my objection. Just I am looking in future, maybe in coming year, maybe we are going in the war because as the China, if you're talking about in concern of China, China is talking something and they are doing something behind. That is not okay because on 29th August, as we listen in the newspaper and also TV media, ki 500, Chinese army just attacked, just try to enter in the Indian territory. So that is not good thing because time to time they are doing such some silly things. So maybe India can do also, and thus I think war can begin. But I think whatever government is doing, that is great thing because we are try to affecting the economy of China. If you are going to affect the economy of China, then definitely you can win 50% war because the economy of China is very much strong compared to India. So firstly, we have to affect, and now government is doing in such direction. Also, in morning you have say if you are going to ban the Chinese application, they can also ban the Indian application. That is okay. When we are going to do something, so we must be ready for accepting something. That is okay. Also, India has cancelled many, many order, but in future, I am saying maybe within 1 year or 2 years we can face the war, as uh, according to the situation what happening currently now, because within 5 days, within 7 days, we are listening some news regarding the Chinese army just try to enter in Indian territory. Also, India is trying to stop them. So this is happening. Maybe in future, possibility of war also. Okay, Devi bhai. On.
Yeah, that is correct. Whatever you said, the applications and all, they banned. Definitely, that is need of our, because for using application, it doesn't make any sense and don't have any profit for our Indians. And instead of keeping our data to them, the government has initiated all the steps. But the banning application is it is a small steps, but the major step is in diplomatic level that the government should do. Even this one side there is a corona crisis, pandemic crisis, and one more side this border issues, even one more side China, and along with one more side the Pakistan. So definitely government should be alert in all the way to dealing with this kind of situations.
Okay, okay. Nitin bhai, if you want to speak, then you can speak. Nitin.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. So, yes, I joined now. So, sorry for that. But yeah, my concern is that Indo-China war. So, it is very difficult to say that war will be done, because I don't think war is affordable for us and China also. So it's not a small thing; it's a very big thing. If it happens, so we will have very big issues. We will have a big crisis. China will also have big crisis, but right now China is more capable than us, and because they have very much ahead from us, because they have developed their own economy, because they are developing, they are not developing, they are developed country, and they also have good repo in technical, also technical part also. They have a good army, and they have all kind of, I think, means in every parts they are good than us. Okay, so it's not affordable for us right now. Second thing, the main issue is the line of border that we are saying that in 1962 that China has occupied some part of Ladakh, right? And they draw a line that we say LOC, right? Line of actual control, and we means both countries are not able to find out what is the exact part they occupied, or it is means they are not able to understand which part is coming under the China or which part is coming under India. So it's a issue about two countries, and they have to resolve it by the way out of that they can find out, they can find out, yeah.
Yes,
So
speak.
they can find out answer. They can easily find out their answer, and they know that how to solve this problem. But media is the most means main concern for us. Media is just propaganda. They are propaganding. They are just fooling the people. You know, it's not a big issue. It's a very small issue. Both the country know what they have to do, because I tell you that there is means war is not an solution for that, right? So I tell you that banning of app and all that app and what they are banning. So it's not an solution to control the China. China is a very big, country, and they have their own business. They have their own good economy. They can business in. They can means they can do business anywhere. It means America or any America and every country. So banning apps and small things, it's not an it's not a good sorry, it's not a big thing, I tell you. So I tell you that they can resolve the issue by sharing their views and talking to each other, and they can solve the issue. But don't give media to attention, or I think media is not doing good here. Their role is not good here, I think. It's my
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, Nitin bhai. I want to talk on you say ban the app is not a big thing, but now today's situation, according to me, banning of app is important because this is not only purpose of the economical purpose. Main issue is security purpose. Means this app used in India, and the user of this app, data of the user is in China. Means data center is in China. So to
tell
use
me
this
tell me
concept,
any tell me any one event that China has used our data and misuse it.
yeah, sure, it may be chances na. Means TikTok. We can get example of take example of TikTok.
Okay.
Means
It's a complete political stunt, I tell
Yeah,
you.
actually, Nitin Bhai and Ganesh Bhai, just I want to ask same question. Okay, always we are talking
okay.
about they are stealing our data. What they are going to do with data? Also, Google is telling, Facebook is telling, everyone just is stealing our data, and we are talking about.
Yes, America.
I think what is use of that? Still now we are.
Why don't we ban WhatsApp?
Yes,
We are
WhatsApp,
As a
using
Facebook,
WhatsApp,
before
Facebook.
listening, one thing I think you all guys have told what they are going to do with data. Data is next fuel. This is the only single word that I want to. Data is next fuel. Now you guys can
Acha, Dhruv
continue.
Bhai, you were talking about internet data, yeah, contact data. What are you talking about? Study you were speaking about data is going to be fuel. So you were talking about the internet data or something data. Can you define it?
No, definitely in this term, I'm not talking about your personal contact and all those things. That is a security purpose reason, but more data like the video that you're creating, the voice that you have recorded, and everything that they can capture. They can take it over just because
The
they have their
altitude
own rules.
locations.
Okay, and
Devi Bhai,
just one thing,
we
okay,
receive
Devi
more.
Bhai,
Listen,
you are
listen,
talking
listen,
here.
listen,
You
listen.
know, Google track everything, what we are doing, where we are moving. Google is
but
also doing same. Then why we are
Google is
blaming
doing,
on
but it is
TikTok
not
and
in the
Chinese?
hand of the government. In the
Dhruv,
hand of the
Dhruv
government of
bhai,
USA, they have their own rule. But in China, it is not a rule. The government of China, they can take over all the data of the companies that which are from China. But it's not a case in every single other country. Take example
Why,
of your own India.
why you can say that? Okay, America is not going to use that data and other
No.
not
It
going. Why
has
China is going to use?
no. I'm not telling this. I'm telling according to the rule and regulations that they have given. In China, it has written in their rules and regulations, they can ask for anything with Chinese companies and they have to give. They don't have any option. But it's not a case in with Google or WhatsApp or Facebook. I'm talking about the government, and we know the government of China. I mean, we don't have any problem with Chinese companies, and we don't have any problem with uh, uh, Chinese people. We have problem with Chinese government that they are trying to do. They are trying to do with
Actually,
every single country.
no,
Just see.
no, Dhruv bhai, what is problem? Actually, one side government is banning all the applications, something like that, and
Mhm.
other side Chinese companies, no, launching product every day. Now today, Realme company has launched 2 products in India, and one side you are going to ban the application, one side company is going to launch. Also, they can
At
still
least
ban
one
exactly,
side they are
WhatsApp.
doing something.
exactly.
At least they, no, this is not exactly, at least one side they are doing great. It is not possible to ban product just because it is a part of trade. And in trade, it is not possible for government to ban the trading part. It is possible, and it's okay. Definitely, even I'm agree with you. In
One more
terms of
thing.
data,
See,
they are stealing or not. But this region they have made, so at least they have option to ban. Otherwise, what the option they will give the to the world or to the country China, that this is why we are banning. This is the region they have made.
Then what about
Even
the
I'm agree in this.
Atmanirbhar Bharat?
I want to see,
Then what about
Sorry.
Atmanirbhar Bharat, local for vocal?
No, so local for vocal, it is totally depend on your on I think indigenous companies. It's not about the other countries. I mean other countries applications and apps. So our India can grow, and nowadays just go on Play Store, you will find so many applications that is growing and that is coming from Indian people. Now PUBG is banned, and I think after few months, I'm very sure that there will be next game like PUBG.
No, I think India has just launched 4G. Actually, I have seen the ad on the Facebook.
yes,
Akshay
yes.
yeah,
Kumar is
yes.
also installing that application that is 4G, something like that. That is,
Okay, in a
same
place of
copy of
PUBG.
PUBG.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
Devi Bhai,
Yeah,
you want to say
and
something? Yes, yes, Dhruv.
yeah, okay. No, okay, Mr. Devi Bhai,
Yes.
you can.
See, for mobile, we cannot ban mobile immediately because a number of people are using that devices. So if they ban, definitely the devices inside software also they should ban. So there are now almost 75% of the people in India using Chinese setup. So how they can tackle when they immediately ban? So it is not possible. At least we can uninstall the application. That is possible. That's why
Yeah.
they will do step by step. See, when you're constructing home, right, it takes 1 year first to base the step-by-step procedure. Atmanirbhar, it is slogan is started by recent years, recent month. So it takes time, sufficient times, because the government have many things to do instead of doing only China. It should tackle the corona situation, infrastructure or economy, or the next budget is coming, and all the things they need to take care of. So this is the one by one step they will do. The Chinese
Yeah,
incidents happened recently.
exactly.
So yeah, so recent trends what we are showing is even one side the Trump also told if they not acquire the USA company should acquire the TikTok, otherwise they're going to ban TikTok. Even they given 40 days time for Microsoft to buy, but Microsoft did not agree for that. And even once the Indian government banned all the application, where are those the Chinese application makers? Will they come back and appeal here? No, right? Did they given any formal statement from TikTok or anywhere? No, right?
No, Devi Bhai, they are going
Yeah.
to do business indirectly. Suppose Microsoft just bought the TikTok. Now TikTok can be run in India. Also, there are many companies who are just try to buy all the. Just suppose PUBG. You can. I am sure after 15 days or 20 days, you are going to listen that someone is going to buy PUBG, only to run in India, because India has a very vast market of this. And if
Yeah.
they are going to lose something, definitely they're going to gain something from the India indirect way, because someday ago we have heard about Mukesh Ambani is going to buy TikTok only to launch in India. Means I think when you are going to ban something, there is another way that can also be launched in market through the other way. Maybe this is possibility. Okay, Dhruv bhai.
But that time you can use, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
It
sir.
is owned by Indian, right?
Hmm. I mean, I think second time I have listened from Mr. Pradeep Kumar that he is telling that what is the use of banning TikTok and what is the use of banning Chinese app? I mean, why you are so concerned about that application? I mean,
Actually, I am not using any Chinese application. Even TikTok, I am not
mhm,
fond of that TikTok. Any Chinese application, I'm
sure.
not using. Even I am using
Hmm.
Samsung Mobile. Okay, because actually, I'm not saying. Why? Because I am totally agree with Devi Bhai. It will take time to replace all the Chinese products in your market. Whenever you see in your house, you
Hmm.
can find 60% electronic item you are using that is Chinese. So this is very tough to replace all things. It will take 5 to 10 years. but main concern is government is focusing or not. If we are talking about making India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, then what government is doing in concern of that field? I am not seeing anything, because Mr. Modi has announced 6 years back, make in India. No, only we are getting
But
2 or 3
don't
things.
you think, don't you see after banning all the Chinese apps, so many applications is coming, so many software people are just emerging, so many freelancer people are doing, and take TikTok, like TikTok, PUBG, these are so vast, even we are just even playing on our phone, but it is a very vast company. People are making so huge money from this, just simple applications that a person not making from business. So that's why even it's okay if someone is going to purchase, that is another concern. I don't think like even yet any Ambani's family has purchased TikTok. They have enough capability to create their own TikTok. They will create, and they will give you some unique thing that definitely every people is gonna to love. So they can create their own TikTok. I don't think they need to purchase.
Dhruv
And
bhai,
even if they will purchase,
Dhruv bhai, have
they will
you,
purchase. I'm totally
Dhruv
yeah.
bhai, have you ever seen GeoMeet? Have you seen GeoMeet?
Yeah, I have. I have seen. I
Just
have
Yeah, yeah.
installed and I
just compare
uninstalled.
with just compare with Zoom. Everything is same. Even color is same. Every symbol is same.
But it's just started. Zoom is working
No,
for so
actually,
long
my
time.
concern is
Just
that
take a
at
simple.
least you can change the color. At least you can change the symbol. You are just trying to copy and paste everything. So that is not going to happen. I also know government also need to focus. Also need to promote some startup. No, we are talking about startup India, but how many startup is growing nowadays? No, very
Yeah,
few.
definitely. I'm totally agree with you, and it's a great
Pradeep,
concern. It's a
startup is
very great concern for our
doing
country.
uh, keep a step ahead. We can take an example of optional tic-tac-toe. Means India created the lots of application like tic-tac-toe, but there is some problem. Means these app consume the more data. So that's why these companies are working on that. So that's why people are not using much more these applications. So it is a main problem of startup. They are working on that, and definitely one day he will um, make a good application. Yes, sure.
Uh,
Sure.
Hello,
Yes, yes, Nitin bhai.
guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I heard all the conversation, but I tell you what happens in the middle of Ladakh or LOC, that they are doing their work like army. Okay, they are working hard. They are fighting there, and here we are discussing about applications and all that. But really we are doing good. We are doing really means perfect thing, because like Pradeep bhai said that he is not using any Chinese app. He is using Samsung mobile, and he is not using any Chinese phone, right? So these are the things, very important things. Means every little things are very important. It will give our India a new life, because China has overcome us. Means in 1962 they fought us and they won the war, and and from that point they track us. They found us how we are living, what kind of celebration we are doing, means how which kind of spending is our, like they just targeted our local people, and in each and every festival they come to a very cheap product in the market, and they just grown up they just grown up their country, and now they are using they are means they are also using our mentality. How is our mentality? Our media means their media. There are very much difference between Indian media and Chinese media. Means you don't hear any news from Chinese means this COVID. If you see that this COVID means how the spreading of this virus started from China, but now there is no single news of Chinese increasing any number of people infected. But in our media daily 80,000 affected, 70,000 affected, or means 50 lakh people are affected, then 1 crore. Means people are gradually becoming panic, right? So we need to work on ground level. We need to think on each and every part of the small things, like buying things. Is this a Chinese product or not? Is this a Chinese app or not? So it will, and we need to also, we don't need to promote it. We also means it is a responsibility. It is a responsibility of young people, because they are targeting young people, and young people are very much live on social media, right? And they are using Chinese phone and all applications. So I want to tell you here that it is our responsibility to take our India to the next level in coming years, so we can fight better with China.
Exactly, and this is a step that government has made, and definitely it is in that part. And one thing that definitely when it comes about apps and when it comes about the product, we can't, even the same argument we can give. There are so many things that we can say about China, and then we can ban the the trading and the product. But it is not possible, just because if we are going to ban all the products from that's coming from China that we are importing, we will suffer. We will suffer more than China, just because we are nowadays more rely on the product on China, and not only in terms of technology. That definitely, I think more than 60 and 75% product we are importing from China, but also medicine, and in a pharmaceutical, I think product we are also importing from China. But when it comes about applications, I don't think any Chinese people are using our Indian applications. So what they can do? They can't do anything. That's why banning every single Chinese app, it can't affect our economy or actually the reality in a ground level. But if we are going to ban whole product, it's not possible even nowadays. And I think USA tried to do the same thing with China, but they suffer. China and USA, they both suffer. That's why it's not a good idea. But yeah, I think in coming days, it's a kind of fire. It's a fire in the like maybe heart in brain, a little bit, just spark that they have created. And when it comes about the startup and the government support, I'm totally agree with Mr. Pradeep Bhai that they are just especially our leaders. They are telling you that startup and vocal for local, but they are not too much focusing, and they are not supporting. Even if nowadays someone wants to grow any tech company or any apps, they need sometime a money, or they need some investment. If they are going to take a loan, it will take so much time, so more days. And that's why we, as a Indian people, we can't think about it. Let's take example of Israel. In Israel, it's a very good concept. If you have to build anything, if you have to make anything, if you have to start any new startup, go for a government. They will give you a whole lot of money that you actually required. After getting success, what can you do? You can just only return the interest of that particular money. And if you are gonna lose, you don't need to worry about that. You can again start new startup, or you can work. Don't worry about money. So the great concept of Israel, and we know the technology of Israel. Technology of Israel, and in terms of the like in indigenous companies and product, they are more better than any other countries, even better than USA. USA is more powerful. That's why we know more and more, and also Japan. So I think the concept of Israel I really like when it comes about technology, and when it comes about vocal for local. So we need to opt that kind of concept. So at least a person who wants to start new startup, they don't need to worry. They don't need to worry about investment money. So we can work. So in this part, government and private companies, they all need to be cooperative, and they can create coherence between them, among them. And this is how we can continue, and it is going on. But yeah, definitely it will take a little bit more time, just because we are not more efficient. But yeah, it will work. It will work. It will create a great effect.
I think just I
Yeah,
want
this
to
is all from my side.
add one point. Actually, Nitin Bhai, actually, I'm totally agree with Nitin Bhai. You know what I am thinking. We have to start from the scratch. And one thing in last time in Man Ki Baat, our Prime Minister has also addressed about the toys industry, because you know whenever we see in field of toy and festival, we find everywhere Chinese product because they are very cheap compared to Indian product. That's why people are more attracted towards the Chinese product. So firstly, we have to think in particular area, and also we government should provide some subsidy those companies who are just trying to improve themselves, just try to do something. If government is going to provide something, definitely we can generate sometime product, and also Indian people can buy that product. But when you are going to market, when you are going to compare two product, what we find, the Indian product is much costlier than the Chinese product. That's why a common people are normal, you can say middleman people just try to buy Chinese product because they know they are cheap. And we are not at that time we are not thinking of life of that product, because we know okay, Chinese, as we say okay, Chinese is not going to very reliable product, but due to only money concern we buy. So that is I think government should focus on that area. Also government should provide some subsidy. Definitely we can improve within 5 to 6 years. We can create our own market about toy industry, whatever we are thinking in technical, because we are doing very good in software industry. Because you can take example of Gurgaon, Bangalore. We are very much sufficient to produce any type of software, because our software engineer is doing, you can take example of Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai. They are all Indians. So I think we can do it.
Mhm.
But we need some help from the government. That is possible.
Yeah.
Okay, Devi bhai, please conclude. I think we have only 1 minute. That's why. Dhruv bhai, you are joining so late nowadays,
Okay.
because you are joining after 10 p.m. That is not okay. Please try to join at 9:50 as you said earlier. That's why. Okay. Okay, Devi bhai.
Yeah, the conclusion is definitely the government should take the initiative to bringing up all the industries. It may be small or medium scale industries. Then only our industry will grow, and our people will grow, and our the products in market also grow, and all the products are made by India. That is the only possible when the market, the government or bring new policies and bringing back a new method to adopt all the process making or something, then only to, and tax benefits for all the new companies for 3 years, or tax holidays for certain years, and they should not put pressure on the companies which not paid any taxes due to the loss. For this, the government should take initiative, and definitely the India one day will become a self-reliant nation like other developed countries. And Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Okay,
1 minute is
Yes.
over.
okay, thank you guys. Actually, we have only 15
Mhm.
seconds. That's why this is night. This is time to close it. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we will
Yeah.
do
Thank
general
you.
talk,
Good.
because
Thanks.
tomorrow is Saturday, so that there will no topic.
Mm.
We can do general talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
As last Saturday.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Yeah.